Hello and welcome. My name is Doris Etito. In this video, you will learn how to make popcorn at home in less than 5 minutes with only 4 ingredients. Let's get started. In a pot, pour in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, then add half cup of popcorn kernel. Stir lightly, then cover the pot. Then set on medium heat. Wait till you start to hear the corn popping. Move the pot gently around so the popcorn can pop evenly. If you have a pot with a transparent lid, that's perfect. That way you can see what's going in the pot, okay, what's going on in the pot. But if you don't have a pot with a transparent lid, no problem, we can do this, okay? Alternatively, you can skillfully stir the popcorn to get things moving in the pot, just like the way I am doing, okay? This popcorn is a perfect and ideal snack to make this Christmas 2023 for your loved ones, friends, family, neighbors, and even you can do popcorn as a business on a large scale. Popcorn accompanied with groundnuts or peanut is a special snack and is popular in Nigeria. We call it guguru and groundnuts. I like popcorn slightly salted with groundnuts. Remove the popcorn from heat when completely popped. In a pan, add about 1 tablespoon of margarine or butter. Then add 1/8 cup of sugar or according to preference. Stir lightly on low heat till margarine and sugar begins to melt. Remove from heat, then add the popcorn. Stir and toss the popcorn to incorporate the sugar and melted butter or margarine. Here is a little tip. The sugar will stick to the popcorn while it is still hot. So ensure to incorporate the sugar and the melted butter to the popcorn to enable it stick, that's the sugar, and the margarine to enable it stick to the popcorn, okay? When done, serve and enjoy your popcorn with your family, your friends. Of course, popcorn can be taken with groundnuts, just like I mentioned. Please share with me in the comment section what, apart from groundnuts or peanuts, what other accompaniments you like to enjoy your popcorn with. Maybe ice cream, right? Yes, popcorn with ice cream. But let me know in the comment section what other option of accompaniments you like to enjoy your popcorn with. And now the popcorn is ready. Guys, look at that. The popcorn is looking good. Almost all the corns actually popped. Almost all the popcorn kernel actually popped. And that's what I like so much about this popcorn, okay? I hope you give this a try. I'm very sure your family, your friends, your neighbors will love this, especially this Christmas season. What a great Christmas idea I have shared with you guys. You may add powdered milk to your popcorn if that is what you want and like. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are yet to subscribe, and I will see you again in another video. Goodbye.